Medium of connection. As from the above discussion, it is clear that connections can be of two types. Wired. Connection is established with wires, ports and connectors. Wireless. Connection is established by using Wi-Fi, radio waves, microwaves, Bluetooth, infrared, etc. without using any type of wire. Types of wired connection. A network can be established with the help of the following types of wires. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable or coax is a type of copper cable specially built with a metal shield and other components engineered to block signal interference. It is primarily used by cable TV companies to connect their satellite antenna facilities. It is also sometimes used by telephone companies to connect central offices to telephone poles near customers. However, initially the computer networks were also established by using this cable. This cable is very rigid and offers high bandwidth with greater transmission speed but has a high installation and maintenance cost. Coaxial cable can be used for two purposes. Baseband transmission. It transmits single signal quickly at a time for short distances. Broadband transmission. It transmits multiple signals at the same time and is used for long distances. Ethernet twisted pair. An Ethernet cable is most common and widely used wire in a network. Ethernet cables connect devices such as PCs, routers and switches within a network. These physical cables are limited by its length and durability. An Ethernet cable has 8 wires of different colors and both the ends are connected to the cable connectors called RJ45. Ethernet cable is plugged into Ethernet ports. An Ethernet port is on NIC. This port is usually on the back of a desktop computer or on the side of a laptop. Ethernet cables have a maximum distance capacity as to how long it can be stretched before there is a signal loss called attenuation. While putting the connector on the ends of the Ethernet cable, we can prepare a straight cable. Will connect one computer to a router or switch. Crossover cable connects two computers to each other without a switch or hub in between. Ethernet cable has improved and is now available up to a gigabit per second speed. Optical fiber. An optical fiber cable is a type of cable that has a number of optical fibers bundled together, which are normally covered in their individual protective plastic covers. Optical cables are used to transfer digital data signals in the form of light up to distances of hundreds of miles with a larger capacity to transfer data at a very high speed. Optical fiber has replaced all other wired media because of its high speed, bandwidth, and highly resistant to signal interference. With all the advantages, it also has some limitations if being very fragile, and the maintenance cost is also very high.